Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Stand with feet hip-width and relax knees. You want a neutral spine, not overarched. Engage your core slightly. Think of bracing gently because it supports your back. Roll your shoulders down and back, drawing shoulder blades toward each other. This reduces forward shoulder collapse. One set, practice a 1-minute wall test. Heels, butt, shoulders, head lightly touching. This quick check shows you where to correct, so you know what to fix next. Now you retrain movement patterns. Do scapular squeezes, 3 sets of 10, holding each 3 seconds to build the muscles that pull your shoulders back. Combine this with plank variations, front, side, for core endurance. Aim to add 5 seconds per week because gradual overload prevents strain. Also perform mobility flows. Chin tucks to align the neck and thoracic rotations to free your upper back. These targeted finish by building sustainable habits. Set hourly micro breaks for 30 to 60 seconds to reset posture, stand, breathe, and realign. Use simple tools, a lumbar roll or cushion for seated support during 1 to 2 hour blocks, and adjust desk height so elbows sit near 90 degrees. If you notice increased pain, stop the aggravating moves and reduce intensity. If pain persists or sharpens, consult a health professional. This prevents setbacks and keeps progress steady.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.